Are you looking to strengthen your core? If so, here are 3 moves that you can do from the comfort of your home. These moves are great for all levels, so whether you're a beginner or more advanced, this is a great move for strengthening your entire core. This move is great for targeting your lower back and abdominal muscles. Start on your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Extend one arm and the opposite leg out straight, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold this position for a few seconds, then switch sides. It's important to keep your core engaged and your hips level throughout the exercise. Make sure not to arch your back or let your hips drop. As you get stronger, you can increase the intensity by extending both your arm and opposite leg at the same time. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Start in a push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Remember to start slow and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with the movements. Don't forget to breathe throughout the exercises and listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and rest. With practice, you'll be on your way to a stronger, healthier core. Good luck and have fun. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by tightening your abdominal muscles and hold that position. To make things a little easier, you can start in a kneeling push-up position instead of a full plank. Keep your body in a straight line and hold the position for 30 seconds to a minute at a time. If this feels too easy, you can increase the difficulty by lifting one hand off the ground at a time and then the other. Or you can even lift both hands off the ground for a forearm plank. For beginners, aim for 3 sets of 30-second holds. Once you've mastered the plank, you can increase the intensity by adding arm and leg raises. For example, you could lift one arm and the opposite leg off the ground at the same time while maintaining good form. If you want to add an extra challenge, try doing a side plank. This variation will target your obliques and other core muscles. To do a side plank, start by lying on your side with your legs stacked and your feet together. Lift your hips off the ground so that you are propped up on your elbow and the side of your body that is closest to the ground. Keep your body in a straight line and hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute at a time. You'll be sure to feel the burn after doing these 3 times a week. Just remember to consult with your doctor before starting any new workout routine. The first move is called knees to chest. This move is great for working your lower abdominal muscles. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift both legs off the ground so that your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Then bring one knee up towards your chest at a time, holding it there for a few seconds before lowering it back down. Make sure to keep your shoulders and hips facing forward throughout the exercise. You should feel your lower abs engaging as you lift your knees. As you get stronger, you can try lifting both knees towards your chest at the same time. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. If you find this move too challenging, don't worry. As with any exercise, it takes time and practice to get better. Just remember to start slow and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with the movement. Next up is the plank. Last but not least, we have the bird dog. These 3 moves are a great way to strengthen your core and improve your overall fitness level. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.